Well, we loaded up. Today's the day, guys. We got the mini boys going to the track. Got my boy all the way from the 818. We got this guy right here. Look at that head. Smoky. We fit to go, baby.
I don't see no mini bike on here.
It's in there. See that yellow thing?
The yellow thing? Nah, you didn't bring no minis. I don't see no mini bike here.
Look right there.
It's too early in the morning.
Yeah, out here from the 818, baby. Let's go. That's how we do it. It's
To hit all these jumps.
all of them. See,
All of them.
it's a mini boy thing, man. Come on, YouTube. Come on, baby. With the matching sick Tacoma. Come on, man. That's about 100 grand right there. How you loving it? Cool. Y'all was back off up in there. I figured, I was like, where the hell they go? I said they took that trail ride back off up in there. Y'all thought we was playing. Shit, they in there. Pulling them out. That's how we do. It's all love. Don't matter what you got. Just come ride. Right? Just come ride. They finna go around them.
There's some shit right here.
Hey, have you ever been to a dirt bike track? Have you? What's up? I mean, come on now, you know. Perfect opportunity to experience it. Y'all heard it live. Scrub Daddy TikToker.
Cause his pace so hot. I mean,
Right, they running like that.
Running like that,
Mini
man.
bikes hot like
They
that.
hot like that. You ready?
they're gonna race this, but then they should do a straight up on the straightaway.
A straight head up
I
fade?
wanna see.
Okay.
This could,
Uh-huh.
this can mean the difference in the rider. We want to see.
Yeah, you right. Yes, you right. Let it go. You gotta hit it. Oh, shit. Go. Uh-oh, it's on. Can he catch him? Oh, can he catch him? There you go, dude. Go. You got me. Go. He coming. Oh, shit. He coming. Oh, shit. He coming. He gotta catch him. Go. Hey, go. Don't take it. Blocky. He should shoot out on it. Need more. He need.
All right, that one.
Mini bike got it.